I tested 3 AI tools that promised to do my work for me. And one of them actually did something I didn't expect. If you want easier work and less stress, watch this. Hey, if you're tired of doing boring tasks like fixing photos, writing emails, or building presentations, listen up. I spent the last week trying out 3 different AI tools to see if they could actually save time. Some are free, some are super simple, and some honestly shocked me. Tool 1. Cleanup.pictures. Let's start with Cleanup.pictures. This tool removes unwanted stuff from your photos. Think random wires, cluttered backgrounds, or even people you didn't want in the shot. Watch this. I took this photo and literally 1 click later, boom, all that junk was gone. What used to take me 10 to 15 minutes in Photoshop, done in 5 seconds here. Best part, you don't need any design skills. Even if you've never edited a photo before, it works straight away. Honestly, I had to stare at the screen because it actually worked better than I expected. Tool 2, Grammarly Go. Next up is Grammarly Go. Now, most people know Grammarly as the grammar checker, but the GO feature actually writes for you. I gave it a messy sentence, like something I'd send in a rushed email, and it turned it into a professional message in seconds. What used to take me 10 to 15 minutes of thinking and rewriting, this thing did in under 30 seconds. I was honestly surprised. A few times I thought, no way this sounds good, but it did. Tool 3, Gamma.app. And finally, Gamma.app, an AI that builds slides and presentations for you. Instead of spending time arranging boxes and dragging text, you just tell it what you want and it creates a visual layout. This one might be my favorite because I actually look forward to using it again. So here's the breakdown. Cleanup.pictures, best for quick photo fixing, Grammarly Go, best for polished writing, instantly Gamma.app, best for slides and visuals. All 3 of these saved me real time this week, and I'll keep using them. I linked all 3 tools in the description. Try them out, get more done in less time, and if you want more videos like this, showing cool AI tools that make life easier, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.